Find the image of the strip 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 under the transformation w equal to z square. Find the image of the strip. Here the transformation is w equal to z square is the transformation. We already proved u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. Here the strip is 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. In between the portion 1 by 2 and 1. So we take x equal to 1 by 2. First we take x equal to 1 by 2. That is u equal to, what is u? U is 1 by 2 the whole square minus y square. That is u equal to 1 by 4 minus y square. Here v equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into y. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We get v equal to y. That is u equal to 1 by 4 minus v square. U equal to v. So here v square. Listen. This is u minus 1 by 4 equal to minus v square. That is v square is equal to minus u minus 1 by 4. Listen. This equation represents here v square. One is square, other is not square. U is not square. U here v square, which represents a parabola. Which represents a parabola. Here minus sign. Minus sign shows left-handed parabola. So left-handed parabola with vertex u minus 1 by 4, that is vertex 1 by 4 comma u minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 is the first value, 1 by 4 comma here v square. What is v square? V square is v minus 0 the whole square, that is 0. 1 by 4 0 is the vertex. In the first case we take x equal to 1 by 2, then substitute in u and v, we get a left-handed parabola with vertex 1 by 4 and 0. Then next we consider x equal to 1. In second case, we consider x equal to 1. So u equal to 1 square minus y square, that is 1 minus y square. U is 1 minus y square. And v equal to 2 into 1 into y, that is y equal to v by 2. So u equal to 1 minus, substitute this y equal to v by 2 in this equation. We get 1 minus v by 2 the whole square. That is u equal to 1 minus v square by 4. Okay, then this one, take this one into the left side. U minus 1 equal to minus v square by 4. That is 4 into 4 to the left side. 4 into u minus 1 is equal to minus v square. That is v square equal to minus 4 into u minus 1. Which represents a parabola. Which represents a parabola. Which parabola? Here minus sign. Minus sign shows left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola with vertex. Left-handed parabola with vertex u minus 1. So 1. U minus 1. We take 1. Then v square. What is v square? V minus 0 the whole square. That is 0. 1, 0 is the vertex. In the second case, we take x equal to 1 and substitute for u and v, we get this parabola. This parabola is left-handed parabola with the vertex 1, 0. That is both cases. First case x equal to 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. We get u minus v square equal to minus u minus 1 by 4. In first case, that is left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola with the vertex 1 by 4, 0. In second case, x equal to 1, which implies we get v square equal to 4 into u minus 1. 4 into u minus 1. That is minus 4 into u minus 1. So left-handed parabola with the vertex 1, 0. With the vertex 1, 0. That is, listen. Z plane. Z plane. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Here 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Here the strip. Here we take x equal to 1 by 2. What is x equal to 1 by 2? This is x equal to 0 is y-axis. X equal to 0. So 1 by 2. We consider this is 1 by 2. Suppose this is 1 by 2. Then this is 1. So this is x equal to 1 by 2. This line is x equal to 1 by 2. And this line is x equal to 1. Then 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 is between these two lines. In between the portion x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1. This is the image in the z plane. This is the figure in the z plane. Then we draw the image of this figure in the w plane. This is u axis. This is v axis. Listen. First one 1 by 4, 0. This is 1, 0. Both are left-handed parabolas. So listen. Here we consider this is 0. The origin. This point is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. Then 3 by 4. This point is 4 by 4. Listen. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. What is 2 by 4? 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is 2 and 2 cancel. We get 1 by 2. Then this is 3 by 4. This 4 by 4 is 1. That is, this point is 1 by 4, 0. This point is 1 by 4, 0. And this point is 1, 0. So we draw first left-handed parabola in 1 by 4, 0. This is first left-handed parabola. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 is, this point is 1. This point is 1, 0. So this is another left-handed parabola. So in between the portion bounded by these two parabolas, this is the region. That is, this is the image of 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That is, in z plane, this strip is mapped to the w plane, is bounded by the region, this parabola and this parabola. This shaded region is the image of the strip.